Pinoy Dream Academy Star Scholar with ASAP's Pride and PDA Season 1 Grand Star Dreamer, Yeng Constantino.
Like living in a world with no air. Oh,
I'm here alone, don't wanna leave. My heart will move, it's incomplete. If there was a way that I can make you understand.
but how to expect me to live alone with just me? 'Cause my world revolves around your window. How for me to breathe?
Tell me how you're gonna be without me.
Without you, I just can't breathe. There's no air,
No air. Whoa.
no air,
No air.
Walang hangin! No air! Bugoy! Hello! Congrats, Bugoy. Umiyak ka? Congrats, Bugoy.
Kinakabahan pa daw siya kanina niyan, kuya. Kinakabahan pa raw siya niyan kanina.
Kinakabahan ka?
Talaga yan, ha?
Alam mo, touch na touch kami kay Bugoy. Ang galing-galing nito eh. Galing mo.
Ano bang feeling na naka-duet mo si Yeng?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Happy po, saka excited.
See, sabi sa'yo, alam mo, actually may sakit si Bugoy. So, ano na yan, may sakit pa siya. So,
May sakit pa siya yan.
Oh,
May sakit na siya, kinakabahan pa siya. So ano pa kaya kung hindi, di ba?
Oo nga naman.
Ayan ang abangan natin sa PDA Season 2
Oo.
everyday.
Panoorin niyo po, PDA Season 2, of course, kasama namin si Bugoy. And ano tawag, next week, makakasama namin dito,
Yes.
sa ASAP 08, is Miss La Arnie naman ng Star Scholar.
That's
this Saturday.
right.
So,
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Up next, makisubadanza with Gerald, Matt, Enchong, Raver, and Bong. At makikilala na ang pinakabagong mga miyembro ng ASAP
Really?
It Girls sa pagbabalik yan ng
ASAP 08!